English. If you if Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Faiz and welcome back to my new video. So guys, today is the Tuesday again and this is the another part of English speaking challenge and uh, uh, and as always I do not recorded a whole week because I am busy or somehow I do not remember recording this challenge all days. Some I it comes in my mind when I am busy in something other work, some other work, so I'm not able to record this at that time. But whenever I free, I forget to record it. So it is now a routine to don't record English speaking challenge for all days. As you are watching, because of not recording, because of not doing it all days, and put and doing it for only one specific day, it is very difficult to speaking English for me, because practice makes a man perfect. And as much as I do practice of speaking English, it will it will make myself more perfect. I, some I have to for speaking in English, I have to focus on my vocabulary and to get more meanings and more words, because the English, if you don't know the word, if you don't know the meaning of the word in English, you don't know the word, how to say that word in English, you will not able to speak it in English. Uh, you will not able to speak in English if you practiced it more. I mean, rather, if you practice speaking English and you're good in speaking English, but if you are not, if you don't know the word in English, how you can speak in English? So it is very important to have a good vocabulary in English, and it is also important to have a confidence of speaking English, because English is not a mother language, and rather than mother languages, if we don't use languages normally, we are not able to speak in these languages normally. And not speaking normally is a very bad thing, because as you are watching, I am not not speaking normally, and you are feeling it, because I don't practice too much to speak in English, to speak in English. And my phone's battery is also dead, and I think talked it in my in my last videos, that my there is some problem in my phone's battery. Like when I started recording video, it's 29, and almost 4 minutes later it's 20% remaining. So you are saying, you are watching how 9% of battery is declined in just 4 minutes. It is not normal. It is not normal to decline 4% of battery in just for 9% of battery in just 4 minutes, because if the battery is declining in this way, so when I use my phone, by the way, it just happens after when the battery is below 30%. So when my battery is below 30%, it comes to zero more fast, and almost 5 to 10 minutes my phone is dead after battery becomes 30%. And I asked AI what is happening with my phone. So he replied, it happens with your model. It's basically Infinix Hot 40i. So he called, in Infinix phones it happens. So I have to take care of this, and I have to put charge in my phone uh, after my phone's battery is 30%. And when and something and something that really interesting is that whenever I charge my phone, and it's 70%, and people like, 70% of your phone, let me charge my phone, so, and as you see, it's lights it's off. It means it's 15% remaining now, and 15% is left my phone's battery. And I think till the end of the video my phone is dead. So this is a very interesting and very irritating for me, because if my phone's battery is 30% remaining, I do not do so much work, or I have to charge my phone. And because of lots of work, I have to use it while charging. And using phone while charging is also dangerous, but it's important, so I have to use it in while charging. And as you see, it's almost 7 to 8 minutes is passed, and my phone's battery is just 13%. So I have to end this video, uh, and put my phone on charging, so it will charge, and I will use it for later, because I because I have to go office. I have to go office in just 1.5 hours. So if I don't charge my phone, so how I will work in my office? I will put charge in my office, and as I told you, people watch charging. People watch me charging my phone and say, and you don't charge your phone at home. You don't use your electricity, and you don't use your electricity. You use company's electricity to charge your phone. Are you saving your electricity? And something like this. So I have to charge. I try to charge my phone at home. So now I am going to charge my phone, and ending this video also. So I hope you liked my video. I hope you liked my videos. So please subscribe my channel also, and press the bell icon, so we will meet again. Okay, take care of yourself. Goodbye.